Now to a story you saw first on 2 at 5 o'clock. No rides and no refunds. That's why some people say what happened to them at a hot air balloon festival in Sugar Land over the weekend was very bad. They paid for passes to what was billed as a Balloonapalooza at Constellation Field, but they say their fun experience fell flat. Our Andy Sirota joins us live from there now with their complaints. Andy.
Hi, Bill. A representative from the company that puts on the Balloonapalooza tour says he feels terrible about what happened. He says tonight he's keeping his people here in town and is exploring other options to make good on the company's promise.
We checked the weather first. We wanted to make sure it's not really windy.
Nina Javaher says she and her family were looking forward to taking a ride on a tethered hot air balloon at the Balloonapalooza Fall Festival in Sugar Land this past weekend. But to her surprise, when they arrived at Constellation Field,
we couldn't see any balloons. And at one point, I even asked my husband, did we come to the right place? Is this the right address?
Unfortunately, we've had a little bad weather, the winds.
This is video from Balloonapalooza's Facebook page from Sugar Land this past weekend. The balloons could not take off because of the wind.
It is safety first. We do not take any chances. You can scream, you can be angry, but we do not take any chances with anybody's lives in the balloons.
Javaher says sure, her kids were disappointed. What really broke her heart, though, were the stories she was hearing from some of the other frustrated families with whom she waited around with for more than 3 hours.
It really hit me hard because some of the family members who came over there, they were Harvey victims.
So she contacted us after she was unable to get a refund.
We came out of such a catastrophe with Harvey, and the whole community came together with such a love and compassion. And we just cannot let anybody take advantage of this community like that.
And we are told tonight that an email blast is being sent to all pre-purchased ticket holders. And once a new site has been secured for the festival, everyone with a ticket will be able to enjoy a hot air balloon ride. Live in Sugar Land tonight, Andy Sirota, KPRC Channel 2 News.